So I'm chopping tomatoes, and as you can see, I'm removing the seeds because I didn't want them, but you can totally keep them, I think. So I have fish thawing away because I can only have frozen fish, and so I'm using white fish, so like cod. You can buy that frozen so easily. I also don't know why I chose that bowl. It's too small for my pico de gallo, but hey, we're there. So I got some lemons. You can totally use lime. Lime is preferred. I only had lemons. Maybe calamansi is fine. I'm not sure. Okay, so someone was looking at me while I was starting this, and Coco's a little hungry. So I just said, "Are you hungry?" And then he was like, "Oh, yes, yes, please." So oftentimes, like 11 o'clock, he gets really hungry. So that's his lunchtime. So I got nuggets for him today. So we always do a mix of dog food and human food because he tasted human food one time, long time ago, and he just didn't want to do dog food alone anymore. So I have to mix the two. Sometimes I put rice, but not all the time. And then I just wait for him to finish eating so that he can go to his toilet / balcony, because we have trained him to pee in the balcony. This feels real weird to be showing in a cooking video, but you know, it's part of my daily routine when cooking. I'll start at like 10 or something, and then in the middle of it I have to go tend to the prince or baby, I don't know, whatever. So now that's the fish, and we're gonna put all those spices. I use whatever. I've used a lot of spices already, so I know what combos taste good together. So you can put, like, a basic one would have lemon, pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder. I like to use paprika and cayenne pepper a lot. I also put in some cumin, oregano powder if you have it, or whatever is your, whatever tickles your fancy. And let's not forget the lemon. I'm using a lot of lemons today. So that is cilantro, or as I googled, also coriander, also Chinese parsley. So they're all like the same thing. So now I'm chopping onions for the pico de gallo. I used a mix of white and red onion. I don't know if that's the norm, but I had red, I had white, I used it. And then the pepper, the chili, I just bought the normal one that you find here in the Philippines. So it's not necessarily the recommended chili, but whatever. I don't like spice that much. I can't tolerate a lot of it, so I only used one. Add a little bit of heat, I guess. And then I ran out of cumin powder, so I just put it all in there. And then added salt, and that's it. That's for the pico de gallo. So now I am cooking off some corn. I used canned corn again because pandemic, but hey. Salt, pep, lemon, or olive oil. That's it, really. You can use butter instead of olive oil. I don't know why I used olive oil. I just used butter, but it's okay. You can add any toppings that you like, that you feel is complementary to the main protein in the taco. You can use avocado if you have it. You can use you can make a coleslaw. Something like that. Something fresh, But corn is always a good option. I love corn. So now I'm panning the fish. So you have a couple of eggs, beat it up, and then you have panko breadcrumbs, and then I put some spices in there so that the coating also has some flavor. So that's it. That's how I make my homemade tacos. This is kind of the first time I made it, but I have high hopes because I'm amazing. Okay, I'm not amazing. But this is just, it feels so good already. I'm hungry. Oh, that's sour cream, by the way. So I just bought sour cream, like in a tub. Like there's a 1 liter sour cream you can buy. So I bought that because we love sour cream, my sister and I. And then I chopped up some mangoes because it adds a lot of freshness and sweetness to the dish. I hate how I'm putting the sour cream here. It's a flop how I put the sour cream. The sour cream was too thick, but it's fine. It's edible. But the mangoes are really good with tacos, especially for fish, I think. Let's eat it. I don't know how to hold a taco. I'm like, how do I? Okay, let's just go for it. You know what I mean? Well said. So good. Messy eating is awesome.